Today's hike is the Bruce Trail in Burlington at the location called Signal Hill. The trail access is shown there, the specific address. That's actually the address directly across the street from today's hike. The GPS coordinates are there too. So this is from Bruce Trail map number 9. So today's hike is November 18th, 2016, and we're looking at map number 9. We're actually at the near Dundas, just south of Dundas there, and that's Cedar Springs Road there, and that is Brand Street. That's right. So today's hike began right there at an area called Signal Hill and ended up at kilometer number 74, which is right there. So it began at 76.8 and ended at 74. And I followed the red trail. I better draw it, I guess, huh? Followed the red trail down into the valley, and then even though it's shown as a black trail on here, it's called this, I still followed it over across Kearns Road, back into the forest, down by the private houses, and ended up there. So that's the trail for today. The car is parked right here at the trail, where the arrow is where it begins. I'll show you some other photographs. Click. So this first shot shows where the car is parked, and then that's where the trail begins in front of the car. Now I'll turn around and look at the opposite side of the road to show you where the address is. And now we're looking again at the trail. So let's begin the hike, moving towards the ridge. Now we're walking along the ridge edge. Well-traveled path with a lot of people that hike in this area. Then you come and you can see a view of Burlington and the lake and so on. Then the trail starts to descend down the hill into a valley, and then the next portion of the trail will be a lot of up and down hills. The paths are quite small, smooth and flat, but it is up and downhill, so quite a workout in this area. This is a November day, so all the leaves are off the trees. This one we're going to head it uphill again. This is right at the cliff edge, to the extent where they've had to build a steel fence. Looking down into what probably was a limestone quarry. This picture shows us the City View Park off in the distance, only 330 meters, so a good place to access the trail on a side trail with a good place to park, right? So now we'll continue along the trail. Another shot at that quarry. There is a path down there too. The Skyway is off in the distance. That's some sort of sidewalk, boardwalk, I think. Now we exit on the Kearns Road, and we're entering Kerncliffe Park now. This part of the forest. There was a sign that said that this section is private land, but we moved on over again towards the edge of the escarpment. This forest is occupied by a few homes that sit right along the edge of the escarpment, and It's on concession 3, or I think. Yeah. But we got into the this forest about halfway to King Road, and that was enough for today. Turn around, come back.